Food vocabulary, مفردات الطعام. In this fun and simple video, we teach vocabulary words for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. في هذا الفيديو الممتع والبسيط سوف نتعلم كلمات خاصة بالإفطار والغداء والعشاء.
Breakfast and brunch. Porridge. Burrito. Truffle. Waffle. Muffin. Toast. Croissant. Cheese. Moldy. Bread. Stale. Jam. Honey. Donuts. Breakfast cereal. Omelette. Rancid oil. Scrambled. Sunny side up. Boiled or poached. Fried. Lunch. Kebab. Rice and broth. Veal. Soup. Ham. Gammon. Chicken. Drumstick. Lamb. Mutton. Beef. Bacon or pork. Ribs. Dinner or supper. Snacks. Tossed salad. Soup. Pasta. Pizza. Stuffed. Noodle or spaghetti. Chips or fry. Sandwich or taco. Hamburger. Pretzel. Cookie and biscuits. Drinks. Water. Tea. Coffee. Milk. Juice. Hot chocolate. Wine.